Hello all. In today's video, we are going to look at the sample test cases for telecom domain. Basically, while testing a telecom domain, we have to mainly focus on the OSS and BSS test cases. So basically, in OSS and BSS, we can say it's a backbone of telecom industry. So they are the system which provides the infrastructure that supports for the business of telecom, right? So OSS and BSS test cases are very necessary, and we have to test these all test cases to check whether the functioning is correctly or as per the expectation is working. So basically this OSS is a operating support system. It supports the different activities like telecom network, then provisioning, maintenance, inventory, maintaining the customer services, like. And BSS, that is business support system, it deals with the activities like CRM, then generating invoices, then call centers, processing of bills, collecting of payment. So according to that, we have to design or write down the test cases for same. So basically, we'll first focus on the test cases of operational support system. So as as it is related to the telecom domain, here you have to verify that the user can make a call, then user can receive the call, then verify that user can send or receive the message. Then you have to ensure that whether the user is able to access the internet. Then you have to ensure verify that user has access to the voice mails. Then you have to verify user can access their emails. Verify that user can access their social media accounts. Or you have to also ensure whether user is able to download and install the app, and verify the user can use the GPS on the phone. Means you have to verify all the services or the functionalities are accessible to the user. Now, related to the BSS, that is business support system, will focus on the transactional in the BSS and billing in the BSS. So what are the different test cases or which part you have to test? So basically, in transactions in BSS, you have to verify that the billing system calculate the charges for voice and data usage or calls are accurately, and by considering the tariffs and the discount. Means, well, whatever the bill they have generated is according to the tariff you have to consider. Then you have to verify that the billing system is generated the invoice and receipt is correct and easily understandable. Yes, even though the tariff is having the different terms or the very complex structure, but when invoice is generated or the user can easily understood whatever the data they have used or whatever the cost they have made, the bill is according to that, or bill will be self-explanatory. Then you have to identify the billing system can handle the payment transactions from different payment methods like online pay. There are different options of online payment, so all will be handled, or all the system is, you can say, is applicable or support to the all the system. Then you have to verify that the billing system provide the detailed usage report to the customer. Then you have to also verify it can handle the large number of transactions. Then you have to verify the billing system integrate with the CRM system to provide the customer support. Means, as a customer, if I want the history of my previous month, whatever the data I have used, so it can easily support it. Then you have to verify the billing system is secure or no unauthorized access will be there. I- Also verify billing system correctly handle the adjustments and refund. Means, if there is some disputes or the some discount will be there, so it can be easily adjustable. Then verify the billing system provides the accurate billing data. Also verify it can handle the complex billing scenarios. Then verify it can handle the high volume of traffic. Also need to verify the high volume of data it will be handled. The system can handle the concurrent transactions. Also verify the system can handle the too much load, right? Then, means, if too many transactions are done at a time, your system must be handle it. Then verify the system can correctly process a valid transaction. Then verify system can correctly handle a timeout. or it will be easily handle the system errors. Means if you are doing some transaction, and at the time if any system error will be occurred at that time, your transaction will be hold at the same position, and when it will get refresh, it can start from that particular point. So these are the all sample test cases or the scenarios you have considered. Then you have to check the total amount of bill is correct and it is as per the tariff, right? Then you have to test the functionality of billing application. When customer makes payment, means you have to check that particular scenario. While making the payment by the customer, what will be the different situations will be there, you have to test. Then when customer's payment is refunded, you have to also check that particular scenario. Then to test the functionality of billing application, when customers account is get closed, you have to also check the new customer entry, or when new customer is created. Or you have to also check the scenario where customer information or the existing customer is modified in case of maybe they will change their plan. If it will be a prepaid, or they want to switch to a postpaid, or whatever the plan they have selected, now they want to modify, or if they want to modify their address or any other information, then this particular scenario you have to test. Then to test the functionality of billing application with the existing customer is deleted, you have to also check that particular scenario. Then to test the functionality of billing application when customer account is created, right? Then also you have to check the customer account is modified, deleted, some fields will be deleted. Then also you have to check the phone number is registered with the telecom operator. You have to verify the phone number is still active. Means if any customer is deleted and still their number is active, you have to check that situation as well. Then check the number is entered correct and it is 10 digit number. Then make sure isn't it blacklisted for any reason. You have to check the phone number has any outstanding bill. Check to see the phone number has any past account or invoices that have been paid. Also verify the system allows the generation of statements accordance with the customer need. As per the customer need, your system must generate the statements. Like if they want the statement regarding whatever the data they have used, so according to that your system must provide the statement. Then you have to check the system can accurately record all calls made by the customer, and verify customer chosen plan appear on the billing system. Along with this all sample test cases, you have to test the negative scenarios as well. So what is meant by negative scenarios? So basically, if you are checking whether the enter number is of 10 digit, right? Or you are checking the customer with a valid phone number, then you have to also check you can enter the invalid phone number which is not associated with your records, and check how your system is working for that, or whatever the error message they are giving is as per expectation or not. Means whether it is giving some, whether it is retrieving some data, invalid data, or whatever the message, or means we can say the number is invalid or this is not our customer, like that, whether it is giving or not. So this kind of negative test cases or negative scenarios you have to test. So try to identify such kind of negative scenarios as well while writing the sample test cases or any test cases for any application. Means as we always look for the we think for the some test cases related to any application. Most of the time we think for only positive test cases, right? But in any situation or in for any application, you have to at least test. Means for one module you have to check at least one negative scenario test case. So that's all regarding the sample test cases for telecom domain testing. Please do practice for the same. Try to write down or try to generate the test cases for different applications. Thank you all for watching.